Haha. Now what you gonna do? Should I help you and then you'll sting me? That'll be great, right? I was trying to get you on the microscope. You just couldn't cooperate, and then everything would be great. You'd still be alive and stuff. Oh well. I'm not gonna rescue you. You'll just sting me. I should, in fact, I should kill you, but I don't know. I'm supposed to be taking care of God's creation and shit. I mean, and stuff. See you later. Oh, you got out. Should I just kill you? Because you're gonna sting me at some point, probably anyways. Alright, I'm gonna leave you alone. Good luck with that work. Oh, this is so much fun. Oh, fuck. I mean, ouch. Oh, you little bastards. Yeah, just dig it. Just dig in there. Is that good? What am I thinking? A man must have invented my thoughts and whatnot. When's this tomato gonna start doing stuff? And I could already have fried green tomatoes on that one, but let's wait a bit.